Recall that in video 2.3, because we were going to talk about the acid-base chemistry of amino acids, I was forced to talk a great deal about information on the amino acids. So you should review that video 2.3 as needed for this chapter. Note that I want you to learn the 20 standard amino acids. In organic chemistry, I tried to learn the reactions by writing them on 3x5 cards like every other organic chemistry student. When I got to biochemistry and needed to learn the structure of these amino acids, I learned a very valuable lesson, which is that by drawing them out a couple or 3 or 6 times, I was able to very quickly learn the structures better than I was able by learning them by looking at flashcards. And therefore, I would encourage you to use this technique to learn the amino acid structures. This chapter points out that selenocysteine and pyrrolysine are also genetically encoded, but they are not considered to be standard amino acids, and therefore I would not expect you to remember them, although they are not particularly difficult. Also, note that many amino acids can be modified, such as shown in this figure, where tyrosine has been modified with a phosphate group and is therefore referred to as phosphotyrosine. A third point to make concerns the UV absorbance of amino acids. Figure 5.6 shows that tryptophan and tyrosine absorb at 280 nanometers. It should be noted that phenylalanine does as well. You will also note that figure 5.6 has a logarithmic y-axis. So tryptophan absorbs about 10 times as much UV light as tyrosine. Phenylalanine absorbs probably 100 times less UV light than tyrosine, so that the absorption is minimal but still worth noting.